Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure minimum versus statement balance payments with Amex, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure minimum versus statement balance payments with American Express, start by logging into your American Express account. Navigate to the Payments section on the main dashboard. Once there, look for the option labeled Schedule a Payment. Select this to begin the payment configuration process. You will see two payment options, minimum payment and statement balance payment. Choose the minimum payment option if you wish to pay just the minimum amount due. This option allows you to cover the least amount required to keep your account in good standing. If you prefer to pay off your full statement balance, select the statement balance payment option. This will ensure that you pay off all charges on your account for that billing cycle. After selecting your preferred payment option, enter the amount you wish to pay. Ensure that the payment amount reflects either the minimum due or the total statement balance. Next, select the date you want the payment to be processed. You can set the payment for the current day or schedule it for a future date. Review all payment details carefully to ensure they are correct. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click on the Confirm Payment button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been scheduled. Keep an eye on your email for a payment confirmation, which will provide additional details about the transaction. Your payment will now be processed according to the option you selected. If at any time you need to make changes to your scheduled payment, return to the Payments section. From there, you can modify or cancel your scheduled payment if necessary. Now you are set to manage your American Express payments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.